So we're gonna get barbecue chicken.
Vamos ao frango churrasco.
What?
Barbecue chicken.
Okay. Well, as you're joining us today, the wife and I were too lazy to cook, so we headed out for a staple on the food menu in any household in Portugal: barbecue chicken. Portuguese barbecue chicken is a fan favourite in Portugal. It is so popular, it's a regular dish at family gatherings and celebrations. It is a recommended must-try dish for any tourist. Grilling meat over wood or charcoal has been a long-standing tradition in Portuguese cooking, and the Portuguese love a good barbecue. The Portuguese version is often associated with rotisserie-style cooking, where the meat is slowly cooked on a spit over the fire. A key element of Portuguese barbecue chicken is the spicy peri-peri sauce, or as English speakers like to refer to it as peri-peri sauce. Most places add their own herbs and spices to it to make their own unique marinades. In the late 20th and early 21st centuries, Portuguese barbecue chicken spread like wildfire throughout the world, especially in regions with vibrant Portuguese immigrant populations such as the United States, Canada and Australia. You can find these restaurants everywhere, or even as street food. It is commonly served with rice, potatoes and salad. This is the meal that we got. We got barbecue chicken, classic traditional Portuguese. We got some sausages, got some fries. I'm not sure how traditional that is, and a chicken churrasqueiras as well. So the wifey and I are going to go and enjoy this. Have a good evening.